Greetings, I'm Brian from RC Workboat Haven. In this video, we're going to pop the first part from a brand new mold, and we're going to see how this goes. Hopefully, it'll come out with no problem whatsoever. First, let me give you a little bit of background on what I have here. This is the port side of a two-part mold. The hull is approximately 39 inches long, and it is designed to be weedless, and it will be adapted for radial control sailing. After the mold was waxed, I used masking tape around the perimeter edge and then butted my layup up against the recess created by the tape. After everything has set up, I used a file and cleaned up all around the tape here on this flange and left the tape on so I didn't damage my mold with the file. And then the tape peels off easily and I'm left with no damage whatsoever to the original mold. And that is the stage I'm at here with the port side. So let's see if we can get this out of the mold. This sailboat hull has a reverse transom, so we're not going to be able to start the release here. We'll have to go to the bow. To release the part, I'm going to use a variety of plastic sculpting tools. These little tools are much softer plastic than the layup here on the mold, so they won't damage anything. Now the trick is to try to find a spot where I can insert this fairly sharp end in between the layup and the mold. So here I'm looking for a little chip, and there's one right there. So now I'm going to set this just at the point of the chip and give it a tap. And it broke my, and that broke the end. Well, no luck there. Yeah, let's go right up to the bow. I'm just going to hold down the mold and give this a twist. Oh, and I do believe that I've got a gap. Okay, so now I'm going to slide this piece of plastic down the hull. Go around the other side. I'm going to run it all the way along here. And now I'll go along the other side here. Oh, I love that sound. And here we go. And that was a pretty easy release. Looks pretty good. Quite light, very strong. Turned out quite well. And here's the mold. Absolutely no damage done. Little edges here have to be cleaned up with a file, but the next step would be to pop the other side, put them together and see how it looks. So there she is, the first part off a brand new mold, port side of a 38-inch RC weedless sailboat. This is going to be a fun project to work on. Thanks for watching.